there's another project we got to get to here. We got to clean the carburetor out in this here weed eater. So it is a plug-in, and it's not just running forth and shit. So. We're gonna bring you guys a little closer. Alright, we got our basic tools here, and then as well as our fancy smancy carburetor tools with all the fancy ends, all the fun stuff. I actually haven't cleaned it yet this year, so it's just got all the old gas sitting in it still, most likely. Gasket, throttle off, basic Phillips, untorque it because we gotta get these gas lines off first. I should just hopefully pull off like so. Alright, and we'll go ahead and remove all this stuff here. So it should theoretically work. Yeah, I'm not 100% what's going on, but we're gonna dig it out. It probably just got clogged on the inside a little more. I really need a cleaner surface than what I'm working on. We're about to get into some fine stuff here. Alright, just like that, we're good to go. So I'm gonna go let it run for a little while. Alright you guys, currently out here in the shop. Let me find a place to put my phone down because I wasn't thinking this through here when I started this. And I gotta move all this junk around here. We are currently still going strong. Oh, on this here push mower. So as you can see, it got all tore apart. Have the carb in my hand here. What's going on is this here is acting up on me. So it's leaking. Around the seam up here is the last spot where it's leaking. I've already got all this sealed off with some sealers, or what do you want to call it. So the next step is to get this back off. I can figure out lefty tighty, righty loosey. Okay. As I said, this one's fine, that one's fine. This little seal right here has went bad. That right there. And so it's basically just metal on metal, and it's leaking. So what I did was I went to Harbor Freight. I'm about to stab myself on the neck with that. That's not a good thing to do. And get some O-ring assortments here to try to get this working. So I'm going to rough this up here to see what size I need. That right there is what I need. It does. We're gonna get such a good seal. I'm so excited. It beats having to buy a whole new carb for just one seal. Definitely cheaper just to replace it if this works. Wow, that's a really nice seal. I'm a fan. Okay, well, let's get all this back together now. Alright guys, that's it for this video. As always, hit that like and subscribe button. But until next time guys, y'all have a good one and God bless.